To find your Oanda account ID, start by logging into your Oanda account on their website. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account section located usually in the main menu. Look for an option labeled Accounts or Account Settings. After accessing the Accounts section, you will see a list of your accounts if you have more than one. Each account will be displayed along with some details. Your Oanda account ID is typically listed alongside each account as a series of numbers. Take note of this ID as you will need it for future reference or support inquiries. If you have trouble locating your account ID, consider checking the welcome email you received during the account registration process. This email often contains important information, including your account ID. Additionally, you can contact Oanda support for assistance. They can help you retrieve your account ID if you cannot find it through the website. Finally, keep your account ID secure and do not share it publicly. It is an important part of your account security, and unauthorized access could lead to issues with your account. Always remember to log out of your account when you are finished, especially on shared devices.